Why networking is very important in financial growth. Why do people give so much importance for building relationships? Why can't we succeed independently? Let's understand this with real-life examples. Reid Hoffman co-founded LinkedIn, the world's largest professional networking site, which exemplifies the power of networking for financial growth. By creating a platform that connects professionals globally, he leveraged the network effect to grow LinkedIn into a multi-billion-dollar company. Sarah Blakely built Spanx into a billion-dollar business through strategic networking. She started by personally pitching her product to stores and networking with key decision-makers in the retail industry. Blakely's networking efforts paid off when Oprah Winfrey endorsed Spanx, significantly boosting sales. This endorsement, secured through Blakely's persistent networking, played a crucial role in Spanx's rapid growth. Networking plays a pivotal role in financial growth by opening doors to opportunities, resources, and knowledge. Getting these things without networking is inaccessible. The fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with people who are already the way you want to be. Through networking, you can gain insights and knowledge from experienced professionals in their field. This sharing of expertise can help in making informed decisions, avoiding common pitfalls, and implementing best practices. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web and chose to share his invention freely with the world rather than patenting it. He disseminated his ideas through academic papers and by providing open access to the web's foundational protocols. By sharing his knowledge freely, Berners-Lee enabled the rapid growth of the Internet, which fundamentally transforming global communication, commerce, and information sharing. Sharing knowledge can save your time and efforts for new opportunities, such as speaking engagements, consultancy offers, or job prospects. Networking increased your visibility and reputation. Establishing relationships with influential individuals and organizations can boost your business's reputation and credibility in the market. This generates increased exposure to your brand, potentially leading to more revenue. Nowadays, it is very important to be in the eyes of your audience. Once you build your reputation, then it is easy to generate more revenue. Many YouTubers, social media influencers use this strategy to generate income. Simon Sinek gained visibility by sharing his ideas on leadership through TED Talks, books, and social media. His talk, How Great Leaders Inspire Action, became one of the most viewed TED Talks of all time. Sinek's networking and thought leadership have established him as a leading voice in leadership. Founder of Virgin Group, Richard Branson has always been a master of networking. He frequently engages with the media, participates in high-profile events, and collaborates with other influential entrepreneurs and leaders. With networking, you can easily access to resources which help you to grow money. Mark Zuckerberg's networking skills were crucial in securing early investment for Facebook. Through his connections at Harvard, he met Peter Thiel, who became Facebook's first major investor with a $500,000 infusion. This investment helped Facebook scale rapidly, leading to additional funding and growth. Jessica Alba utilized her celebrity status and network in the entertainment industry to gain visibility and funding for The Honest Company. She connected with investors and industry experts who helped shape and grow her business. This is the power of networking in gaining access to essential resources. By building and leveraging their networks, you can secure funding, mentorship, partnerships, and opportunities. Networking is an invaluable tool for gaining market insights and staying ahead of trends. By doing this, you can stay informed about market trends, which enable you to find consumer preferences, technological advancements, and competitive landscapes. Airbnb's ability to pivot and introduce new features like Airbnb Experiences, which allowed it to cater to evolving traveler preferences and differentiate itself from competitors. Networking can provide access to exclusive investment opportunities that may not be available to the general public. Warren Buffett's network has given him access to lucrative investment deals. Forming partnerships with other businesses and influential individuals can lead to mutual financial benefits and growth. These examples highlight the significant impact that effective networking can have on financial development. By building and leveraging strong networks, you can gain access to investment opportunities, strategic partnerships, mentorship, and market insights. These benefits collectively contribute to enhanced financial success and growth. As we conclude our time together, may the insights shared guide us on our individual paths. I hope you find this video as delightful as I found making it. Like and subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. Share it with your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.